Riley, what's wrong? Riley, what did you do?
What did you do? Can you tell me what you did? What did you do? You ate the paint? Did you eat the paint? Does it taste nasty?
You okay, babe?
Okay. It's okay.
Riley, why'd you eat the paint, babe?
It's okay. Did you think it would taste good? Why'd you eat it?
Riley, is your sissy making fun of you? Is your sissy making fun of you?
You know I love her.